www.oh.com. Hey, how you doing? I was just upgrading some of the filing systems on the Stereo Sound Agency computer. I'm Coach Frank. The Stereo Sound Agency commissioned me to fly out here from Texas and do some work around the office and train some of their skaters. This is Clint Peterson. He's a professional skateboarder. I think he got there because of old Coach Frank, but let's go back to the stereo training facility and see what he can do. Let's go. I figured the training facility needed some work. Alright, so I had some of my best carpenter friends in Texas. They built me this here manual pad, which you can see is probably one of the best in the industry. It's Coach Frank approved.
Do you think there's enough room around and stuff for training, Frank?
I think you'll get there after you do your stretching, and we'll go over that off camera because I got some secret moves and stuff for warm-up, pre-skating activity. First, kind of start to get the feel for it, you know? A couple manuals, maybe a couple grinds on the ledge.
Hey, sure, it looks pretty awful. But...
yeah, let's see what you got, boy. Yeah! That's right, Clint. That's the way to do it. Yeah! Man, come that big competition out in Florida, I think you're going to be ready. You just keep working on Coach Frank's techniques and you're out of there.
One more time.
You got 30 seconds to make this company $2.5 million. Get. Where's the John? I gotta take a dump.
What a groove.
Did you get me that $2.5 million in sales? Does your mom know how much of a disappointment you are? What's your job around here at Stereo?
I'm the team manager.
Team manager? Boy, I saw more team management in my motel room last night. This is the one and only Coach Frank. What you've just seen is a demonstration on how to run an office. If your skateboard company needs help, you call me. If your team of skaters is slacking, I'll whoop their asses. Coach Frank.
What a groove.
Don't call me, baby, I'll call you.